In this video, we are going to be showing you the fastest way to set your stop loss and your take profit. I repeat, the fastest way to set your stop loss and your take profit. So if you are a beginner, if you are a newbie, you need to pay attention to the end of this video. Now, this is a demo account that we have right in front of us. Now, assuming you want to place a trade, it could be a random trade without any analysis. Now, we're going to click on the new order, right? So don't forget, it's the stop loss and the take profit we're trying to set very fast. So we could either do, either of this one, click on sell or click on buy. I'll just click on buy for now for this example. We'll click on sell after. Now it says that the order to buy this Euro USD at this price is successful. Then we click on OK, and we can also see the trade right in front of us on the chart window area. So when you click on buy, your stop loss naturally is supposed to be below the entry price, and then your take profit is supposed to be above the entry price for a buy. I'm going to show you how to confirm that. So if I put the mouse on the entry price and then it says drag to modify, I can now click down and then drag it to the downside. If you look to the left-hand side, you see an SL where you see the USD and then the pips and all. That SL stands for stop loss, which is below the buy entry price. If we drag above the entry price, it changes to what? It changes to TP, which is take profit for a buy. So assuming we take it down and then we release our hands. Now, before we release our hands, I'm going to show you guys something. Now you can see this minus 286 to the left-hand side. That simply means minus 28 pips and 6 pipettes. Minus 28 pips and 6 pipettes. A pipette is a fraction of a pip. So if you're looking to set a stop loss of 30 pips, we can drag it a bit more, and then now we more or less have minus 304. The minus 304 stands for minus 30 pips and 4 pipettes. So we can assume that this is our 30 pips stop loss. By the time we release our finger, our hand from the mouse, it gives us this one-click trading. But this one-click trading, what it's simply trying to say is, as a disclaimer, whenever you drag down, immediately it gives you what you have dragged down to. If it's a stop loss for a buy, immediately it shows you that. And the same thing for up, if it's take profit for a buy, or even if it's for a sell. So if you accept this, then it simply means that you have enabled the one-click trading. So you click on OK, and then now we can go back and drag it to minus 30. Don't forget, for our 30 pips, as close as we can. This is how close we can get. Let me try to take it up a bit. So minus 298 is still approximately minus 30 pips. So I release my finger, and then we have it stop loss here. And you can see the stop loss is also imputed into this area for the stop loss. Now it remains the take profit. Now don't forget, for the take profit, we're dragging where? We're dragging up. So we put the mouse on the entry, and then it says drag to modify. If we take it up, don't forget the 234 is 23 pips and then 4 pipettes. And take it up some more. Let's assume we're looking for 30 pips as well. As close as we can get, 309 pips is 30 pips and then 9 pipettes. Release the finger, and then you have your take profit above, your stop loss below. You look over here, you have the same thing for your take profit and your stop loss. As easy as ABC. This is the fastest way to set your stop loss and your take profit. No need for calculations. Calculating based on your entry price minus the number of pips, or adding the number of pips for the take profit or stop loss, depending on whether it's a buy or it's a sell. So for this trade that we have taken over here, you can see the stop loss and take profit has been set nicely. Now let's assume you want to place a sell. We're going to use another trade as an example. I'm just going to drag this GBP USD into the chart window so it changes to what we have over here, GBP USD. So let's assume it is a sell that we click on. So you click on sell, your new order, then go to click on sell over here. And then voila, we have the trade that has triggered here. Now, as we have the trade triggered over here, don't forget, you could either drag it up or down. So if we drag it down, what does it say? Look to the left-hand side. It says TP. Yes. So this simply means that when you click on the sell and you drag it to the downside, it is take profit. You remember for buy, we dragged it down, it gave us stop loss. And this is simply because buying and selling are in opposite directions. When you buy something, you want it to go up for profit. And then when you sell something, you want it to go down for profit. Now, this is the concept of this business, and you need to understand this. So let's assume we're looking for 50 pips. Don't forget, take it to anything close to 500. 496 is as close as we can, or if you can, try to drag it a bit down more and see whether you can get it close. And now we have 504, which happens to be 50 pips and 4 pipettes for take profit and release, and then it is there. And if you look over here as well, for the take profit that we have just set for the GBP USD trade, you can see we have take profit. Now it remains the stop loss. For the stop loss, don't forget, we're going to drag where? We're going to drag up for a sell. By the time we drag up for a sell, look to the left-hand side. You can see stop loss there. Drag it, maybe 30 pips stop loss, depending on whatever your analysis tells you. Now, by the way, it is your analysis that will determine whether you are clicking on the buy or a sell. It is your analysis that will also determine the amount of stop loss and the amount of take profit to use. In another video, we'll cover how to calculate based on analysis, whether it's a buy or sell, and how many pips stop loss, how many pips take profit to use. But now in this video, as a newbie or as a struggling trader, you know how to set stop loss. You know how to set take profit very fast, whether it's a buy or sell. So assuming you are taking a signal from somewhere, you're following a signal provider, you'll be able to easily place that trade, set your stop loss, set your take profits, and then walk away. So now we have minus 305, which is minus 30. Now, why is it even minus? It's a minus because it's a negative. This is what you can afford to lose. So minus 305, which is minus 30 pips and 5 pipettes. I release my finger from the mouse, and then you can see it has been set. And you can see at the bottom over here as well, the stop loss has been set for this trade. So this is the fastest way to set your stop loss and your take profit, whether it is a buy or it's a sell, right? So newbie, struggling trader, give us a thumbs up if this video was helpful. And if you would like any other video on how to do this or how to do that to make your trading much easier and simpler and faster, let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and would help you out in any way that we can. So thank you guys. We'll be back with more videos showing you how to do things in a very fast way. Enjoy the rest of the day, and goodbye for now. Cheers.